Today, we're taking a look at the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete. This is the third MOVA robot vacuum we've reviewed and the 120th model we've tested overall. Our experience with MOVA so far, including their wet dry vacs, has been excellent, which isn't too surprising since they're a sister brand to Dreamy. We're excited to see how the V50 stacks up against the competition. A big thank you to MOVA for sending this over, though just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored. As always, you'll get our honest, unfiltered thoughts. If you'd like to check it out yourself, there's a link in the description. Now let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find more accessories than I've ever seen bundled with the robot vacuum. Seriously, it's packed. You get the robot itself, the multi-purpose cleaning station with its ramp and power cord, mop pads, 2 different bottles of cleaning solution, 12 extra mop pads, 2 side brushes, 3 vacuum bags, 3 filters, and a spare set of rollers, and the usual product literature. The value here really shouldn't be overlooked. This accessory kit can easily last you months, and for many people, well over a year before needing to buy replacements. Setup is simple and straightforward. Plug in the dock, attach the magnetic mop pads, fill the clean water tank, add both cleaning solutions, A for all purpose and B for pets, and let it charge. Once that's done, just connect it to the MOVA Home app and you're ready to go. Right out of the gate, the MOVA V50 impressed us with its mopping performance, which to be fair is one of its biggest selling points. Our LVP floors came out looking great, and the mop system handles washing, cleaning, and drying on its own. In our high-traffic, pet-filled home, it had no problem tackling hair, crumbs, and fine dust. For those unfamiliar, MOVA is a sister brand to Dreamy, and the V50 feels very similar to models in Dreamy's X-Series lineup. In fact, it's almost identical to the Dreamy X50 Ultra. It has the same detangling dual brush, which did a fantastic job resisting hair tangles in our tests, the same extended side brush reach, mop extension feature, and the same VersaLift navigation module. Most of the real differences are internal, which we'll cover later, but the most obvious one is the base station. The V50 station is noticeably sleeker and more compact than Dreamy's X series, which is a big plus if space is limited. Setup was simple, mapping was fast, and navigation has been smooth right from the start. When it comes to raw power, the V50 doesn't mess around. It cranks out a massive 24,000 pascals of suction, 3 times the category average, and the most we've ever tested. That's 2,000 pascals more than the Roborock Z70 and Narwhal Flow. The catch, at 79 decibels on max, it's louder than most robots, but honestly, for this kind of muscle, it's a fair trade. In our suction test, it tore through carpet at 514 FPM, way above the 422 FPM average. Oddly enough, airflow topped out at just 0.35 kPa, which is below average. Our guess, the dual brush design doesn't seal as tightly as other brushes, and that's just speculation at this point. So what does all that power get you in the real world? A cleaning score of 90 out of 100. That's above the average of 87, but not the flawless score you'd expect from the strongest suction we've ever seen. Still, I'm glad it wasn't lower. It just proves that advertised pascals is often more marketing than meaningful. For context, it tied with the Dreamy X50 Ultra. Now, the mopping system, this is where things get spicy. The V50 delivered the hottest mop wash we've tested at 176 degrees Fahrenheit, with hot air drying at 144 degrees Fahrenheit. It even features real-time hot water washing, though don't expect your floors to feel like a heated spa. Any difference is tough to measure. Still, it's a step in the right direction. Mop lift is average at 10.5 millimeters, but here's the kicker. It can automatically detach and reattach mop pads at the base station. Translation, no dragging soggy pads across your rugs. It just drops them off before vacuuming carpet. Genius. The mop pads themselves are extendable, reaching deeper into corners and around chair legs. There's also a dedicated cleaning solution tank with automatic dispensing, a small but very welcome quality of life upgrade. And get this, the V50 is the first robot we've tested with dual solution tanks, letting you choose where each one is used. Perfect for pet owners or that fragrance challenge cousin we all know. Do them and everyone else a favor and gift them this vacuum. The station, it does it all. Washes the mop pads, washes itself, and self-empties dust. Less work for you, more time for roasting that cousin at family gatherings. The only thing it's missing is ozone water treatment, which would help prevent that swampy smell dirty tanks get if left sitting too long. And trust me, that smells even worse than, yep, you guessed it, your cousin.
You eat dog crap for breakfast, geek.
Bottom line, the V50 mixes brute suction power with one of the smartest mopping systems we've seen. It's built for serious cleaning and minimal babysitting. The MOVA Home app, available on iOS and Android devices, gives you full control over your robot, allowing you to fine-tune both vacuuming and mopping settings, create custom cleaning routines, and target specific rooms or zones. It supports multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. There's even a built-in voice assistant for hands-free control. Some standout features include intensive carpet cleaning, off-peak charging, the ability to activate the side brush specifically for carpet cleaning, live video monitoring, and real-time maintenance tracking to stay on top of component upkeep. While the app has a bit of a learning curve due to its depth, it's easily one of the most feature-rich and thoughtfully designed platforms I've used. And after testing all the major ones, it's my personal favorite, which means so is Dreamy's. Roborock is an honorable mention as well with its app. Since its release, user feedback has been largely positive, averaging 4.3 stars. Many highlight its advanced hardware, excellent vacuuming on both hard floors and carpets, and pet-friendly features like dual solution tanks, object recognition, and self-drying dustbins. That said, experiences aren't universal. Some users report frustration with unreliable navigation and inconsistent mapping, which can dampen the overall experience despite strong cleaning performance. While we personally haven't run into these issues, we did come across an interesting Reddit thread showing warped plastic on the backside of the V50, apparently from high-temperature mop washing. The good news, this doesn't seem to be a common issue, but it's definitely something worth keeping an eye on as more users put the V50 through long-term use. Despite its impressive feature set, the V50 isn't without room for improvement, just like every robot we test. The in-use hot water mop washing sounded promising, but in practice, it didn't deliver the impact we were hoping for. It also lacks electrolyzed water cleaning, a feature some higher-end competitors include for better sanitation and odor control. And as far as we can tell, there's currently no option to upgrade with a plumbing kit, so if that was on your wish list, you're out of luck at least for now. The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is a powerhouse robot that blends brute suction strength with one of the smartest, most versatile mopping systems we've tested. From its dual solution tanks and detachable mop pads to its hot water washing and compact station, it's clear MOVA thought hard about making this as hands-free as possible. Add in the loaded accessory kit and one of the best apps in the game, and you've got a robot that really does check most of the boxes. That said, it's not perfect. The real-time hot water washing felt more like a cool party trick than a game changer. The lack of ozone or electrolyzed water cleaning leaves some room for improvement, and there's no plumbing kit option, at least yet. Plus, as with any new model, we'll need to see how it holds up long-term as more users get their hands on it. But taken as a whole, the V50 shows just how far MOVA has come and why they're quickly becoming a real contender against the big names like Roborock and Dreamy. If you've got pets, high-traffic floors, or yes, that smelly cousin, this robot is going to make your life a lot easier. So, should you buy it? If you want raw power, advanced mopping, and minimal babysitting, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete deserves to be at the very top of your shortlist.